Today, we're diving into the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, which just launched yesterday. Google's latest flagship has been the subject of tons of leaks, but now it's finally official. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the durability test done by none other than Zach from the YouTube channel JerryRigEverything. He put the Pixel 9 Pro XL through its paces, and today I'll break down everything you need to know about this phone's durability. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the packaging. Google has gone plastic-free with the Pixel 9, which is a nice touch. But the real star here is the phone itself. The first thing you'll notice is the massive camera bump. It's hard to miss. Stack had a lot of fun with this one, comparing it to everything from a surfboard to an Oreo cookie. At 3.5 millimeters thick, it's as thick as 2 quarters stacked together. You could almost use it as a kickstand. Jokes aside, the redesign is actually pretty impressive. Gone are the days of curved glass. Google opted for flat glass this time around, which is a huge win for durability and repairability. And since this phone comes with 7 years of security and software updates, durability is more important than ever. This phone is built to last. Speaking of durability, Zach took the Pixel 9 Pro XL through the famous Mohs hardness test. For those unfamiliar, level 2 is plastic, level 5 or 6 is glass, and levels 8 or 9 is sapphire. The Pixel 9 Pro XL uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which scratches at level 6 with deeper grooves at level 7. That's some serious protection and you won't need to worry about everyday scratches. Even the front-facing 42-megapixel selfie camera is protected by this glass. Zach also tested the phone's screen with a lighter, and to his surprise, it lasted about 30 seconds with no damage. That's pretty impressive, and it speaks volumes about the quality of the display. Now let's move on to that pirate plank-sized camera bump. The Pixel 9 Pro XL sports a 48-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 50-megapixel main camera, and a 48-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. The housing is made from metal, and the rear panel is soft-touch matte glass. No curved glass here, thankfully. Zach mentioned that if this phone is really supposed to last 7 years, Google should have considered using polycarbonate or plastic instead of glass for even better durability. One interesting quirk Zach pointed out is the button placement. The power and volume buttons are placed exactly opposite to those on the Samsung S24 Ultra, so if you're planning on switching from Samsung to Google, this might take some getting used to. Finally, the bend test. With a phone this large, you'd expect some flex, but the Pixel 9 Pro XL held up surprisingly well. There were no creaky sounds and almost no flex from either the front or the back. Google has clearly improved the structure, but if you want to take it a step further and give your phone a unique look, Zach suggests checking out the turn-down skins from Brand. These skins show the insides of the Pixel on the outside, providing both protection and style. The Brand grip case also offers additional protection with MagSafe compatibility for those switching from Apple. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. And a big shout out to JerryRigEverything for the in-depth durability test. I'll see you in the next one. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.